Cell division, mitosis. Mitosis is a complex process consisting of numerous steps. Our body possesses numerous eukaryotic cells which continuously undergo mitosis. To understand this process, let us take a closer look inside a cell which is about to undergo a mitotic division. It shows a conspicuous nucleus. Each cell possesses a single nucleus. Usually, the nucleus is round in shape. Structurally, the nucleus is composed of three main parts: the outer nuclear envelope, the nucleolus, and the chromosomes. In the form of chromatin threads. During prophase, these chromatin threads become shorter and thicker due to condensation. These chromosomes are still inside the nuclear envelope. Later, in prophase, the nuclear envelope disintegrates and breaks down. This marks the beginning of metaphase, where we observe the two centrioles at opposite poles. The chromosomes ultimately arrange themselves around the middle plate, known as the metaphase plate. The spindle fibers grow towards these chromosomes and finally get attached to the centromeres from either side. On both sides of the metaphase plate, we can see clear pyramidal zones formed by the spindle fibers. Now, if we take a closer look at the centromeres, we see that it divides from the center to form two parts, each attached to the chromatid. Anaphase commences with the initial splitting of the centromere, and so the sister chromatids are now separated. These separated chromatids are known as the daughter chromosomes. After the onset of anaphase, these daughter chromosomes begin to separate from each other. During telophase, the chromosomes continue to move towards the spindle pole regions. Then the nuclear envelope is reformed around both the sets of chromosomes. The process of cytokinesis begins. In this process, the parent cell divides to form two daughter cells. Thus, the process of mitosis comes to an end. Summary: mitosis is a delicate process that enables organisms to grow and reproduce. Mitosis is composed of several stages. Prophase, where the chromosomes become shorter and thicker. The nuclear envelope disintegrates and breaks down. Metaphase, chromosomes ultimately arrange themselves around the middle plate. Spindle fibers grow towards these chromosomes and finally get attached to the chromosomes. Anaphase, the daughter chromosomes begin to separate from each other and move towards the poles. Telophase, the chromosomes finally reach the poles and a nuclear envelope is formed around both the sets of chromosomes. Through this sequence of steps, the replicated genetic material in a parent forms two identical daughter cells.